Hello there, my friends, and welcome. What if you had a personal assistant who could write your posts, design your graphics, even plan your content calendar for free or nearly free? In this video, I'll be revealing the best 5 AI tools for digital marketing in 2025 that moms are using to build a profitable online business from home with no technical skills required. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm originally from Malawi. I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I actually felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I had this mom guilt because I felt like I was robbing my kids to pay for this online businesses because I had the shiny object syndrome. I always felt like there was something missing. So you name it, I've been there, done that, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. So why should moms be using AI, right? AI saves you so much time and energy. These are two things that moms are always short on, right? It doesn't replace you though, it just multiplies your creativity and consistency. So right now, I'm actually using an AI tool to help me with this content creation, right? But the AI tool is literally that. It's a tool, it's like an assistant. I have to still inject myself, my energy, my personality into building my business, right? And the best part is you don't need to be techie to use these tools. If you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, it's becoming easier and easier to use the tools. So my favorite, let me save this one for last, right? I'll save my favorite tool that I'm using right now that I use every single day for last. But let me go to the first one then, which is really the second one. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what this tool is. Chances are you've used this tool. The thumbnail on this video here was created using this tool. It's called Canva, right? So Canva is where you can create different type of content. You can do thumbnails, you can do lead magnets, checklists, PDFs, ebooks. They can do videos. There's so much that you can do. But they have this Canva AI tool here where you can literally ask it to design something for you. It can create an image, draft a document, coding, even create a video clip for you, right? So it's a very, very powerful tool. And it's so intuitive and user-friendly. You simply like, here, there's nothing for me to do, but to choose, what do I want it to do? And then here, I click this, it tells me add media, right? So it's so simple, so straightforward, and you can actually use it for free. That's the first one. The second one I'm going to share with you is Pictory. It's the easiest way to create professional videos for YouTubers, content creators, and there's actually a 50% off annual plans going on right now. So you can turn your text into a video in minutes, right? In absolute minutes. You can paste any URL here and turn that into a video as well. So if you have a sales page, long videos into engaging branded clips. Short form video is huge, right? So you can turn a long form video into short clips, and you can see you can get started for free as well. Captions, most people are watching with captions on because they don't have the audio on, so on and so forth. Turn slides into a video using AI, and it's just absolutely mind-blowing what you can do with this, right? So this is the second AI tool that's free. It's available for you. And the third one here is, I'm going to go for either this one. They pretty much do the same, but Notion AI, it's a AI workspace that works for you, right? So if you are in business, one thing is you have to be organized. You could have checklists and you want your email to be organized and all the stuff. You can have it here. And this is a similar one here. It helps you to capture, organize, and tackle your to-do list from anywhere. Okay, and it's free. There's a video here that you can watch as well. Very, very powerful. Um, this one here, LeadsLeap, is an all-in-one marketing platform that you can use to build your business, and you can use it to drive traffic to your websites. You can have autoresponders in there, page builders, pop-up creators, link tracker, and you can actually use it to make money. And again, you can create a free account. This one here is just a bonus one. It's not really AI, but it's just a tool that I use to build my business. But I've still given you 4 AI tools. And the last one is something that I'm sure that you've heard of, right? That I'm using right now to help me create this video. And it is, drum roll, it is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is absolutely amazing. As anything, as a human being, you should be using this tool to help you build your business, to help you in whatever you need to do. So for instance, for this video, all I did was I gave it some keywords that I wanted to target. I gave it questions that people are asking, right? So I did my research. People are asking about the top AI tools that they can use to build a business. So I gave it that question and told it to create me an outline, right, of a video. And it tells me exactly what to say in that video. And then once that's just the first part. When I create this video, I'm going to upload it, and I'm going to get it to help me optimize that video so that it can be found by my target audience when they're searching for solutions. So when you are there searching for AI tools to help you build your business, this can show up, right? So ChatGPT will help me with that as well. It'll help me write the description, give me a title, and all that stuff that I used to have to think about myself and take ages trying to get it right? So it's very, very powerful. So these tools here are powerful tools. I'm going to link them in the description so you can have a look at them to see if you'd like to use them, that they can help you build your business. Now, if you would like to learn more about the digital marketing and AI and ChatGPT, I have access to a live interactive coaching and mentorship program that teaches me how to attract my perfect customer using social media and how to leverage AI, specifically ChatGPT as well. So if you would like to learn more about that, I'd like to invite you to click the link in the description, even comment blueprint, and I'll send you a blueprint to your email. So make sure you check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.